Hello, hello out there, my good people. Pardon me. This is your guy, Mr. Inspiration, Isaac Ingram, coming at you. Member of the Golden Family, part of the Digital Gold Mine Group, a six-figure auto saver, golden auto saver. Let's get that correct. Got to throw that in there. Just coming at you, make this quick tutorial on how to set up your dual team system or how that all operates or just where to go as you're enrolling people to get their free accounts, so you can take full advantage of Karatbars' outstanding commission structure, which is the best in the business by far, hands down. Products, everything. Um, I mean, y'all just don't know when you become part of Karatbars, you're part of a movement. You're part of something awesome, and you're really going to feel it. All right. So I implore you, whether you sign up as a customer or as an affiliate of Carrot Bars, log into your account and peruse the back office or the area and see what everything's about. See what it all has to offer and what you signed up for, what you're a part of. Just like any other website you become a member of and you may register for and you may shop around, see what all they have. Do the same thing with Carrot Bars, all right? So as an affiliate, once you have already went through the KYC process, you have got your profit package, you are on auto save rocking with the gold, you're telling people and people are just excited and they're registering up. And you want, as that happens, you want to pay attention to, your structure, your team. And we all a team. We're all building teams, and we're teaching people. So as a teacher, I'm a part of a team. So that's the concept here. So when you log into your back office, you want to click on My Account. Once you click on My Account, this is going to pop up. You're going to click on where it says Team Statistics. You're going to scroll down where it says Dual System. And you want to check and make sure that where it says your placement is, you don't want it to be on automatic. You don't want automatic. You want to choose where you want to place based on your team size per right and left. Your right team persons is going to have a number of people, and your left team persons is going to have a number of people. The goal is to keep them balanced as best as you can. As they open up, you'll notice where to keep them balanced. But to just get started, you want to make sure that you're coming in here and you're placing one on your left, maybe placing one on your right. If you notice that your right leg is more, then leave it on your placement on your left, hit update, and every time you enroll somebody, they'll go to your left side. If the left side catches up to the right side, then you want to go back. You want to hit that. You want to hit right. You want to hit right, update, and then boom, it's updated. That means the people that you enroll are going to be going to your right side. As you continue to enroll people, you want to switch back left or right. Again, the I concept is balance, just like a balance beam. You want equality on both sides. It's best for you. And you want to get VIP status as quick as possible. I mean, get on that VIP status and you know, and let it do what it do. You're part of a great opportunity. The CEO of this company, Howard Sykes, is a very generous man, and you are part of a great opportunity. So take full advantage of it. And that is how the dual team system works. It's just that simple. You go where we clicked on where it said My Account. The screen pops up. Team statistics, dual system. You scroll down. Pay attention to your right team persons, your left team persons, and update to create that balance. And just as simple as that. So I hope this was helpful. You can always stop and play back the different parts that you missed or you need to update. But if you got any questions, things like that, please feel free to comment. Get back to me. If you don't have a free account, in the description will be a way to get a free account. Um, so this is your guy, Mr. Inspiration. Thank you for your time. Don't forget, let's motivate, educate, inspire. Isaac Lanier Ingram, member of the Golden Family, six-figure golden auto saver, and part of the Digital Gold Mine Group, is signing out. Peace, Mr. Inspiration. Don't forget me.